breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
Hey, what up everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffins. Alright y'all, so today I'm bringing you another human hair slay on a Monday. And this unit comes courtesy of Eayon Hair, so huge thank you and shout out to them for sending me this unit. I truly appreciate it. This is a pre-styled pixie cut silky straight bob. It comes with a 5x5 lace closure. I have it in 8 inches with 150% density. Alright, so you have already seen pretty much the styling and installation process, so let's go ahead and get into my thoughts. Now, if you know me, you know I don't do too much of throwing on wigs straight out of the package. And I kind of did that this time, y'all. So since it said it was already pre-styled, which it kind of was for the most part, I was like, maybe I shouldn't manipulate it by washing it, so I did not. And Lord, whew, that was a struggle, y'all. I'm gonna be real. The germaphobe in me was like, wash it, wash it. But I was like, no, no, no. I'm gonna take it pre-style and we're gonna work with what it is giving. And I'm actually pleased. So this is definitely for the lazy wig wearers and or the beginners. You can definitely take this unit straight out of the package, throw it on your head, put a little flat iron to it to get the curls or the bump in motion, and you're done, honey. Like, not a whole lot with this. Now, as I mentioned, it does come with a closure area, which I anticipated or thought I was gonna have to glue down, but guess what, y'all? Isn't that the best feeling in the world when you don't have to use no glue? Yes! Makes her even more beginner friendly. So no glue, y'all. I just simply laid down some little swoops, did a little tuckaroo here on the side because I wanted to show off my little cute earrings here. Speaking of, I am a brand ambassador for Kutivz Kollection, and this is where I got these earrings from. Super cute and affordable, y'all, and they come in some beautiful colors. So I will be sure to link that information down in the description box as well if you're interested. I mean, they are gorgeous. Like, oh my god, this is like right up my alley, y'all. I was like, oh, how did I get so lucky to be gifted with these gorgeous right here? Yes, check it out. You don't want to sleep on these. I'll list coupon codes as well as websites down in the description box below. Check it out. Alright, so back to this wig. I didn't experience any issues with this at all. You saw me do like a little minimal plucking here in the front when I put it on. But that's really it, y'all. Like, I didn't really do anything. I didn't experience any tangling or shedding. I mean, like, this is such a super cute breeze. And it's my color, y'all. Like, oh, you know I'm here for the red. I don't know what they're calling this color, but it's pretty much a nice burgundy for me. Ombre burgundy with a dark root. It's giving me life, y'all. I mean, life. And you see how this is just flowing right here? Like, it came like this, y'all. Like, when I tell you, it came ready out the pack. It is ready. I ain't have to bleach no knots. I just kind of lightened up the parting space. Made sure the lace blended with my skin here around the hairline. And like, super easy breezy, y'all. Now, as I mentioned before, this unit did come pre-styled, which is like excellent. And when I tell you, I mean, it came with the layers, the flow, everything, y'all. I didn't do anything. Now, although this comes with a 5x5 closure, which means, you know, a little free parting space, right? You can go with your middle part, you can switch it to a right side part, but it may alter the fall of the wig. So that's why I just kind of kept it as it came with this left side part, even though I'm not really a left side chick. I do prefer a right side part. And even when I was messing with the hair, I tried to see if I could switch it to a right side part. But it kind of took the hair a little off balance where I just wasn't getting this super cute, chic, and sassy style that I'm getting right now. It would have taken a lot more adjustment. So I just went with the left part as it came, y'all. It was just much easier for my life, okay? Now, as for the price, this unit is running about $165. You know, some might think it's a little pricey for a little cute short bob like this. But again, sis, you ain't gotta do no work. You really don't have to go in and pluck it any further. Like, it's already styled. It's already layered. You just don't wash this joint, because if you wash it, you're going to be restyling it. I'm going to tell you that. So that's why the germaphobe over here decided not to wash it. So it comes ready made out the pack, y'all. For $165. I think that's worth it because it comes ready.
So I wanted to quickly mention that Eayon Hair will be having a giveaway this week, I believe on Tuesday and Wednesday, where the winner will be announced on Thursday. So make sure you go on Instagram and check that out so that you can win some free hair.
But, of course, I want to know what you guys think. Let me know what you're thinking about this bad boy down in the comments below. You know I want to hear from you, so go and let me know. You know I'm nosy. Let me know, sis. Let me know what you're thinking. Alright, so if you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little bullseye emoji right here. Because this joint right here is right on target, y'all. Right on target. So leave me that little bullseye down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin. And you know I love and appreciate you for that. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, sis, if you have not. And I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.
I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again.